Yesterday we have learned with the some pigments. Let us discuss in detail. Fine. First is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is green in color. Lipid in nature. Insoluble in water. But it is soluble in organic compounds. This many points are there. Lipid is green in color. Lipid in nature. Insoluble in water but soluble in organic compounds. Now, the types of chlorophyll. First, let us discuss chlorophyll A. You know that chlorophyll is bluish green color or bright green colored pigment. And chlorophyll A molecular formula is C55H72 O5 N4 and Mg. It is known as universal photosynthetic pigment. Okay, why? Because it is found in most of the plants except the eubacteria. It is primary photosynthetic pigment. Why? Because you know that chlorophyll A absorbs the first time sunlight, because primary reaction occurs here and it is the most abundant photosynthetic pigment. So you have to remember that universal, primary and most abundant photosynthetic pigment. Now here for the chlorophyll, magnesium Fe and nitrogen are very essential. Fine. So without magnesium ion, actually it is there in the 12th chapter of 11th standard that chlorophyll is MgFe protein or FeMg protein, iron magnesium containing protein. So without iron, magnesium and nitrogen, it is not necessarily required that without these minerals chlorophyll is synthesized. Now here you know that porphyrin ring and phytol tail. So the structure of chlorophyll A is look like tail ball. So tadpole it is divided into two parts, phytol tail and porphyrin ring. Phytol tail and porphyrin head. Porphyrin head is size 15 by 15 angstrom. Hydrophilic and acidic in nature. Tetrapyrrole ring, 4 rings are there. Fine. Mg is held by two coordinate and two covalent bonds. Yesterday I have told to you that chlorophyll A is look like the tadpole. Fine. So here in the tadpole, porphyrin ring or porphyrin head, the size is 15 by 15 angstrom. Fine. It is hydrophilic in nature, water soluble, and acidic in nature. Tetrapyrrole ring, 4 rings are there, and each ring consists nitrogen, and in the center magnesium is there, and magnesium is held in its proper place with the help of the two coordinated and two covalent bonds. Whereas in the phytol tail, phytol tail is C20 X39 OH. Fine. So remaining carbons are situated here. Hydrogen, nitrogen and magnesium are there. Fine. In the porphyrin head. Size is 20 angstrom long. Hydrophobic. And alcoholic in nature. Fine. So they attach to the thylakoid membranes. Fine. So So porphyrin ring is present towards the atmospheric region. Fine. Now chlorophyll B. You know that chlorophyll B consists C55H7T O6 and 4Mg. And here the aldehyde group is there, so I cannot write the chlorophyll B here. Now next is chlorophyll C. In chlorophyll C, phytol tail is absent. Chlorophyll D and chlorophyll E are also there. Now this is about the chlorophyll. Let us discuss in detail about the carotenoids. Carotenoids are yellow to yellow-orange colored pigments, and these are chromoplasts. And as you know that in carotenoids, carotene and xanthophyll are there. Chemically they are terpenes. Insoluble in water. And most stable pigment. As you know that carotenoids perform the wasteful process, that is photorespiration. Fine. Carotene, that you know that orange yellow colored pigment hydrocarbon, and carotene in that C40H56 is the molecular formula. So carotene is of three types: alpha, beta and gamma. But out of that beta carotene, alpha, beta and gamma are types of carotenes. Beta carotene is responsible for color of carrot. So in carrot, beta carotene is most abundant pigment present inside it. Beta carotene acts as a precursor of vitamin A. So from the carrot we obtain the vitamin A in the rich amount. Fine. So beta carotene acts as a precursor of the vitamin A. Precursor means previous form. Fine. And xanthophyll is yellow colored pigment C40H56O as well as C40H56O2, and that's why yesterday I told you that xanthophyll is orange or oxygen containing carotenoid. Okay. Then absorption spectrum. You know that according to the absorption spectrum, chlorophyll A mostly absorbs the blue or violet colored light. So that's why in Blackman's factor, photosynthesis factors affecting on it. Fine. So you know that bluish or violet colored light, in the presence of that, maximum photosynthesis occurs. So in blue and violet light, maximum absorption of sunlight is there. Remaining red, yellow, orange colored light can be absorbed with the help of the other pigments. So this is about the some photosynthetic pigments and related information which is important for NEET. Now light reaction. As you know that light reaction means light dependent reactions or photochemical reactions. So in light reactions, as you know that light harvesting complex is there. So you know that LHC is there. So light harvesting complex in that pigment systems are there. We say that PS. So as you know that there are two types of PS, PS1 and PS2. So in NCERT lecture we have learned the difference between the PS1 and PS2. So PS1 is also known as P700, whereas PS2 also known as P680. Why PS1 is also known as P700? Because 700 nanometer wavelength of light is absorbed by this PS1, whereas P680 in that 680 nanometer wavelength of light is absorbed. So as you know that PS1 is useful in cyclic as well as non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Fine. PS1 is useful in cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation, whereas PS2 is only useful in the Z-stick, or we say that non-cyclic photophosphorylation. PS1 and PS2 in both chlorophyll A is main reactive center, but apart from the chlorophyll A as well as chlorophyll B, 250 to 400 other molecules are also required there, which acts as an antennae, as you know. Fine. So in PS1 and PS2, apart from the chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, 250 to 400 molecules are also required that acts as an antennae to receive the sunlight. And if you know that structural and functional unit of the photosynthesis is known as quanta zone. So chlorophyll, I mean to say photosynthetic pigments, all the enzymes, minerals, phospholipid, everything, Rubisco, everything required for the photosynthesis process are combinedly known as quantazone. So quantazone is structural and functional unit of the photosynthesis. So photolysis of water, let us discuss with that. It is also known as Hill's reaction. It is also known as OEC. Oxygen evolving complex. So as you know that Robert Hill stated that oxygen is evolved from the water. So this is also known as OEC. And here you know that 4 water molecules are splitted. At the time of NCERT discussion, I have explained that what is the difference between hydrolysis and photolysis of water. Normal breakdown of the water in that what happened, H2O is converted into H plus and OH minus. But here, shortcut method to remember that photolysis of water, if you know that 4 water molecules are splitted with the help of 3 minerals. Which 3 minerals you know? Mn plus 2, Ca plus 2 and Cl minus. So with the help of magnesium, calcium and chloride, these 4 water molecules are splitted into 2 water molecules, 1 oxygen molecule, then 4 electrons and 4 H plus. So as you know, the 2 water molecules, oxygen and 4 electrons are commonly known as 4 OH minus. So as you know that O2 is evolved in the atmosphere, 4 electrons are absorbed by PS2, taken by PS2, fine, and 4 H plus are taken by PS1. So with the help of the 4 electrons here from photolysis of the water, actually it is neutralized the 4 chlorophyll A plus molecules in the Z scheme. If you know that in non-cyclic photophosphodietation we have learned with this. And 4H plus present nearer to the PS2. So as you know that photolysis of water it occurs nearer to the PS2 only. Okay? So in Z scheme, find just nearer to the PS2, photolysis of water occurs, and nearer to the PS1, 4H plus are combined together, fine, and form the NADP H2 2 molecules. Yeah. Now plastocyanin. Plastocyanin is blue colored pigment or blue colored protein which consists the copper ion. Fine. So plastocyanin is bluish in color but copper containing. Whereas pheophytin is formed from the chlorophyll. Where? See, when in the chlorophyll A structure, Mg is replaced by 2H. Now you think about that chlorophyll A where Mg is replaced by 2H. So it becomes pheophytin. So pheophytin in that, what is the molecular formula? So what is the molecular formula of chlorophyll A? C55H72O5N4Mg. Instead of that pheophytin, molecular formula it becomes C55H74O5N4. Don't write Mg there. Fine. So pheophytin C55H74O5N4. So it is the molecular formula of the pheophytin, whereas it acts as a primary electron acceptor in the Z scheme. So two MCQs. Primary electron acceptor in cyclic photophosphorylation. See, Z scheme is non-cyclic photophosphorylation. So in Z scheme, pheophytin is first electron acceptor, whereas in the cyclic photophosphorylation, FES protein or ferredoxin is primary electron acceptor, whereas FES protein, that is ferredoxin, that is FD, is primary electron acceptor in cyclic photophosphorylation process. So these two are very, very important. Fine. So now immersion, effect core and red drop, and then photophosphorylation, cyclic and non-cyclic. We will take it in the next lecture. So here I can stop now.